Massage is a manual technique that uses pressure, friction and movement to stimulate and manipulate the body's soft tissues, such as muscles, tendons and ligaments. Massage can be used to improve blood circulation, reduce inflammation and pain, improve muscle flexibility and function, and promote muscle tissue recovery and repair. Science has shown that massage has positive effects on the repair of muscle tissue after physical effort. A review of scientific studies has shown that massage can increase the rate of repair of damaged muscle tissue and improve muscle function. Massage has also been shown to increase blood circulation and lymph flow in muscle tissue, which can help reduce inflammation and pain. Furthermore, massage can increase the production of mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of muscle cells whose main function is the production of ATP. The reason is that massage increases blood circulation and lymphatic flow in muscle tissues, providing thus more oxygen and nutrients to the muscle cells. Additionally, massage has been shown to increase levels of anabolic hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone, GH, in the body, which may help stimulate mitochondria production and protein synthesis in muscle tissue. In regards to increasing protein synthesis, it is believed that massage can stimulate the production of anabolic hormones such as testosterone and growth hormone, which in turn can increase protein synthesis in muscle tissue. Massage can also increase blood circulation to muscle tissue, thereby delivering more nutrients and oxygen to muscle cells, which can help stimulate protein synthesis. Increasing the production of mitochondria is good for muscle recovery as it helps repair damaged muscle tissue and increase their endurance. The production of mitochondria also increases the ability of muscle cells to produce energy, which can help improve muscle function and endurance. In general, massage can be a useful option to improve the recovery and repair of muscle tissue after physical effort. A hot shower can have massage-like effects on blood circulation and general well-being. The hot shower can improve blood circulation by increasing blood flow to the skin and muscles. This can help reduce inflammation and pain in the muscles and soft tissue. Warm water can also help relax muscles and increase flexibility. Thanks for watching.